This old guy DIY video has to do with replacing the edging that's holding pavers in place. Now, this stuff has been in place for a number of years. A friend owns this place and she asked me to give her a hand. So you can see that's all popped up. So we came down to this end. And we had to get these spikes out, and they're all rusted, so the diameter is larger than the hole that they had been in. So the technique we're using is to take a piece of 3/4 inch conduit and use that as a sleeve to support this so we can pound the spike out. So you take the 3/4 inch conduit, drop the bolt head in, hit it with a hammer, and then move on to the next one. And then some spikes came almost out. We just pulled them out the rest of the way. And now we can take this piece, lay it in place where we want it, and we'll put the spikes down where we want them, and it'll look like brand new. Thank you for watching.